Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, but you can call me Chanty. And today what was going to be a tutorial of me putting makeup on with my mask is now a roast of the Butter London palette. I'm still going to leave my initial intro in because I feel like it shows how excited I was, which probably lends towards how disappointed I was when this palette wasn't working out. And today, after I'm done filming this video, I am going for my first wedding dress fitting, which I'm very excited about. However, I kind of wanted to get a feel for how everything's going to look based on the accessories I have right now and the kind of look that I want to have on my wedding day. I am doing my own makeup. I'm not doing my own hair, although I did kind of try and do this cute little updo just to give me an idea of what it's going to look like. It will definitely be something better than this the day of my wedding because I'm getting my hairdresser Cass to do my hair. So because I'm going to be wearing a mask in the shop the whole time, I thought I would kind of do a half wedding look, just do the makeup up here and then leave the bottom half with my mask on. All right, here we go. First up, priming. The e.l.f. primer performed admirably. And yes, I went in using the Teddy Boy palette by Butter London. The color I started with was Simon. I chose this palette because I really wanted like a cool toned smoky eye for my wedding. But as you can see here, just like the color is not showing up at all. It took me a lot to build up every single color, which was my initial frustration. Now I'm moving into the color Freddy, and this is where my problems started. Simon, I kind of gave some leeway because I wanted it to be more of a transition color where I mapped out what I was going to do. But with Freddy, I was really hoping to kind of start to build that smoky eye, but it's barely showing up, and I had to keep going back in with more and more before I finally got it to the level that I wanted. And it still just looked so patchy to me. I was not impressed at all. And then I just took that along my lower lash line as well. So now I'm going in with the matte black that they have called Rupert. And it took me so long to work up the black to the level I wanted. I feel like I just kept picking up more and more powder and it just was not staying down. So then I thought maybe a cut crease can save this. All right, we're getting somewhere. Then I went in with the brown color called Graham. Now, when I moved into the color Graham, I did notice it was a bit better. The brown was much easier to work with than the gray tones and the black was in this palette. And then the shimmer shade that I'm putting on top there is called Archie. And I quite actually enjoyed Archie. I zoomed in here. I don't know why I didn't do that initially from the beginning. It's actually such a beautiful shimmer, but you know, I still don't like this look. And so I was like, whatever, let's just slap some eyeliner on this. Maybe that'll make it better. When I initially used this palette, I did notice it was patchy. If you go back to my initial review of it, I did mention that it was very patchy. But I thought it was buildable. But this time around, you know, I used a primer. I used the same primer I used when I initially tried this palette. But maybe it's dried out or I was using the wrong brush. It just, no. Now, when I got to this point, I thought I needed to fix that one edge with just a little bit of concealer because it was just so not even close to symmetrical. So I just patted a little bit over top and that did help the look a little bit, but I mean, spade's a spade, guys. This is not a cute look. And this was a trial for my wedding day, so I will definitely not be using this palette on my wedding day. Yeah, at this point, I'd done my foundation and concealer, and I was just not impressed with the look. And now I've got some like Vogue action shots. As you can see, it's just uneven blending. The colors look nice. I like the idea of what I was going for, but the execution with this palette was just not there. If you like this video and you like my vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. Hello, welcome. Shook the table on that one. And the kind of look that I want to have on my wedding day. Okay, this is hilarious, seeing the top half of my face and the bottom half of my face. If you like my video and you like my vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe.